Natural light has a powerful impact on the look and feel of your home. It makes rooms appear larger, boosts mood, and reduces the need for artificial lighting. For Covington homeowners looking to brighten their living spaces, double-hung windows offer one of the most effective and attractive solutions. Their versatile design, expansive glass area, and customizable options make them an ideal choice for enhancing natural illumination while improving comfort and style. Here's how double-hung windows can transform the lighting and atmosphere inside your Covington home. Large glass surface area maximizes sunlight. Double-hung windows are known for their tall, elegant design and generous glass proportions. Because both the upper and lower sashes are sizable and unobstructed, these windows allow more sunlight to enter the room than many other window styles. Benefits of increased daylight. Brighter rooms throughout the day. A warm, inviting atmosphere. Reduced reliance on artificial lighting. Improved visibility and clarity indoors, whether installed in living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, or hallways. Double-hung windows make it easy to bathe your home in natural light. Versatile placement options to illuminate any room. One reason Covington homeowners love double-hung windows is their ability to fit seamlessly into almost any room layout. Their vertical design works well in narrow spaces, large walls, and even areas with limited exterior clearance. Double-hung windows brighten areas such as living rooms needing more daylight, bedrooms that benefit from a soft morning glow, staircases or hallways that are often dim, dining rooms seeking warmth and ambiance. Their flexibility allows homeowners to strategically increase natural light throughout the entire house. Top and bottom ventilation improves airflow and light distribution. While the main purpose of double-hung windows is ventilation, their dual sash design also helps distribute light more evenly across your living space. As you adjust each sash, you can control how sunlight enters the room. By opening either sash, you can reduce glare while still welcoming light, let sunlight reach deeper into the room, allow gentle daylight without overheating the space. This level of lighting control is especially beneficial in Covington homes where the intensity of Mississippi sunshine can vary throughout the day. Clean, slim frames increase light transmission. Modern double-hung windows are designed with slimmer frames and larger viewing areas than older models. This means more sunlight can pass through, even when the window's size remains the same. Slim frames offer a more open and expansive view, increased brightness without structural changes. Modern aesthetics that refresh interior spaces. Homeowners enjoy the feel of larger windows without having to alter their home's exterior design. Energy-efficient glass options improve comfort while enhancing light. Covington residents often experience warm, sunny days, making energy efficiency a key consideration. Fortunately, double-hung windows offer advanced glass options that increase natural light without overheating your home. Features like low-E coatings reduce heat and glare. Double or triple pane glass improves insulation. Argon gas fills help maintain indoor temperatures. These enhancements ensure you get the full benefit of natural light while keeping your living spaces comfortable year-round. Customizable styles to complement Covington homes. From historic Southern homes to contemporary builds, double-hung windows blend beautifully with a variety of architectural styles. Homeowners can choose from different colors, grid patterns, and frame materials to match their decor while maximizing natural light. Popular options include white or beige frames for a clean, bright look, wood look finishes for traditional warmth, modern black frames for bold contrast, colonial or prairie grids to enhance character. These customizations allow you to brighten your home in a way that aligns beautifully with your personal style and Covington's architectural charm. Brighten your Covington home with double-hung windows. Double-hung windows are more than just a timeless design. They're an excellent way to increase natural light, improve visual comfort, and enhance the overall beauty of your living spaces. Their large glass surfaces, slim frames, customizable features, and balanced ventilation make them a favorite among Covington homeowners seeking brighter, more inviting rooms. If you're ready to refresh your home with windows that elevate style and sunlight, double-hung windows offer a simple, effective upgrade that delivers lasting brightness and comfort.